In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate ClickUp and optimize your use of its various features. Whether you're managing projects, tasks, or teams, understanding how to fully harness ClickUp's capabilities will streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access all your folders within ClickUp. Think of this as your command center where you can view and manage different aspects of your work. To do this, head over to the All Folders section. This gives you an overview of all the folders that contain your tasks and projects, keeping everything structured and organized. Next, you'll see a Highlight section. By clicking on this, you'll gain insight into the most important tasks or updates. This feature helps you quickly identify what needs immediate attention, ensuring that you don't miss crucial deadlines or updates. Now, locate and click on Settings. This is where you can customize and configure various elements of your workspace. Exploring the Settings menu is essential as it lets you tailor the ClickUp experience to fit your specific needs and preferences. Within Settings, click on Task Types. This is an important step because task types help you categorize your tasks based on specific criteria or project needs, ensuring that each task is organized appropriately. You'll want to select All next. This will display every available task type to choose from, giving you a comprehensive view of your options when it comes to organizing your workload. After that, focus on Creative and Design. If your work involves creative projects, this category is tailored for design-related tasks. Clicking on it will show you task types specific to creative workflows. You'll notice Creative and Design appears twice. Clicking on it again ensures you're fully engaged with the specific settings or options available for design tasks, giving you maximum control over this type of work. Continuing, click on IT. For those working within tech or information technology, this category houses task types most relevant to these fields. It's essential to understand the tasks within this category to efficiently manage any IT-related work. Circularly, click on IT once more. This step ensures that you've fully captured the nuances of the task types related to IT, providing a robust framework to manage all your tech tasks effectively. Now, select All once again to revert back to the comprehensive task type view. This helps reset your navigation and prepare for the next step. When you see the option, click Add. If you ever need a new task type that doesn't already exist, adding it here is how you'd expand your task type inventory. From there, choose Create Task Type. This feature allows you to define a completely new category, offering flexibility in how your tasks are categorized and managed. You'll then come across another Highlight section. This is typically used for spotlighting any newly created task types or important updates. After that, type into the Highlight section. Enter any relevant information or name your new task type to make it easier to identify and utilize in future projects. Should there be a need during this process, you might choose to click Cancel. This option is available to halt the task creation if you've made a mistake or need to reassess your input. Add another highlight. Ensure you type any additional details that are crucial for the task type you're establishing. This could include specifics that make tasks stand out or align more closely with project requirements. When ready, click Create Task Type. By finalizing this, you're adding a new tool to your ClickUp arsenal, enhancing your ability to manage projects with precision. Lastly, you'll encounter one more highlight option. This is typically there to ensure your task type entries reflect necessary actions or priorities. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating and expanding your ClickUp experience. With these steps, you'll be better equipped to structure your workflow, enhance productivity, and maximize the potential of your workspace